What's going on? I'm Tom Davis from Escape Campervan Conversions. This is our latest van build. It was built on a 2020 long wheelbase Sprinter, and in this video I'm just going to do a quick walk around and show you some of the main features. So we're starting up the top. As you can see, we've got a couple of swivel base seats, captain swivel seats. We've got this nice funky tabletop which was made by Jack at Aurora Home. So yeah, if you don't already follow him, get onto Instagram and go and give him a follow. He made all of the tabletop and the worktops in this build. Now this table also has got a nice little swivel extension feature, so it just reaches over for this seat a bit more, stops the table getting overcrowded. This table packs away as well, so it sort of lifts off like that. The leg folds down, and then it's just a case of sliding it into a track that we've made behind this double passenger seat. That little lock there as well. So then moving on to the kitchen, we've got the flip up worktop. At the bottom here we've just put a little latch, so to stop the rattling when you're driving. We've got the flip up worktop, 2-burner gas hob by Thetford. We've got a couple of drawers on a soft close drawer runner. Bit of storage down there, more storage. We've got the Belfast sink with the drop-in piece. The nice big black tap with sprinkler head. And then in the final part of the kitchen down here we've got a big 90 litre Vitrifrigo fridge freezer. So above the kitchen we've got two standard wall units, and in this left hand side we've got the controls. So up here is the Victron GX Touch that pretty much controls and gives you all of the information from the electrical system and also the levels of the fresh and wastewater. We've got the water heater controls, air dispatcher controls, gas level indicator, some USB sockets. We've got the water pump switch, and this switch here is for 12 volt strip lights that we've got mounted underneath the cabinets. So behind this door at the bottom of the bed we've got access to underneath the bed for storage. Underneath this bit is where we've housed the water heater and the pump, and then down here as you can see we've got the gas manifold. So plenty of storage space in this. Obviously as you can see, a big floor to points, electrical hookup, and again as I said, deadlocks on the back doors, and we've also fitted a reverse camera. So in the back here, this particular customer does a lot of wild swimming and stand-up paddleboard and that sort of thing, so always ends up with a lot of wet kit that we thought would be great to have a space to hang that up. So basically what we've created is a small shower tray, if you like, with a hanging rail there, so as soon as you get out the water, wetsuit's in there, and that will just drain, any water will just drain straight out, so you don't wet coats or anything like that. Also from here we've got access to the Thetford cassette, and then moving on into the garage space, plenty of space for storing kit, and then we've got this big Victron off-grid lithium electrical kit. So I won't go through anything too much detail, but we've got 400 amp hours of lithium, we've got multi-plus inverter charger, 2 Orion DC to DC converters, Servo GX Lite, the Victron Energy links, 2 30 volt consumer units, all the 12 volt fuses, isolation switches, and yeah, various other little bits and bobs in there. So really powerful, intelligent electrical system in this one. So yeah, she should be able to use this off-grid for plenty of time, no problems. Another little feature there that I nearly forgot is the outdoor shower. So this is it's got hot and cold water to this, so you know, it can be used as standard shower to wash yourself down, dog wash, bike wash, whatever you want. So that pretty much sums it up for this van conversion. If there's anything that I didn't cover in enough detail and you want to ask me any questions, just leave them in the comment section and I'll do everything I can to answer them for you. If you liked the van and you liked the video, then do us a favour and just engage with this video wherever it is that you've watched it. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Like, subscribe, do all of that, and yeah, we will see you again in the next van build.
I hope you enjoyed that video. If you hadn't noticed, we do sell an ebook for how to convert a van. It has over 190 pages of detailed instructions and diagrams, also 25 video tutorials which are specifically for the ebook buyer. Creating a van for many people is obviously a really intimidating project, but I really believe, and I've seen it time and time and time again, that with the right information, anyone can turn out with a pretty decent van conversion. So check the link in the description, subscribe to the channel if you are not already, and drop us a comment if you like this video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next week.